以上をもちまして、ダライラマ法をご神修。法皇様が経座にお付きになりました。
Brothers and sisters, and particularly those people who lost one of their dear friend or relatives. So the main purpose coming here to share your deep sorrow, pains or suffering. We are human brothers. Broadly speaking, nearly 7 billion human beings. Basically, we are same human brothers, sisters. So I think, although the tragedy took place here, but I think many parts of the world, as soon as they heard is in this situation, I think some feeling as a human being, as a human brothers and sisters. So you are not just alone. I myself, as soon as I heard this tragedy through BBC, as the news, I immediately felt, how much painful experience. I immediately felt, and then as a human brother, and secondly, Japanese, basically Buddhist. Japan is a Buddhist country. And me personally also, since I think 1967, I had opportunity to visit Japan number of occasions. So I have many Japanese friends. So I immediately felt, if possible, I would like to go there and share their sorrow, their sadness. So my visit America through Japan, end of April, I stopped a few more days in Tokyo, and there an opportunity to pray and express my deep feeling. Still, I am not satisfied. I want to visit the actual place where this disaster took place. So now I came here. My dream fulfilled. On the way coming here, I asked driver the tsunami water where you see it because of the it reach. Yeah. Then I notice, you see, things completely different. And then furthermore, a lot of damage. And then particularly when I reach here, these people, I cannot stop except shake hand, meet these people. I also very much moved. Tear comes. Very sad. But it already happened. Now we have this human intelligence. Now such occasion, now we must utilize our intelligence and think broadly. And also meantime, we have also the source of self-confidence we have. So it's combination, warm-heartedness, which is source of our strength, source of self-confidence. With that, our intelligence, how to deal with difficulties, not only today, but also future. So that kind of our intelligence and the sort of self-confidence, combine these two things, you can overcome all these sort of damage or these problems. So tragedy certainly, naturally brought sadness, demoralize. But now you must that transform into self-confidence and enthusiasm, work hard, rebuild your home and your community and your new life. And then particularly these young children, taking care, maximum way, these young children, and provide them proper education and let them lead another happy new generation. That's very, very important. My own past experience, I want to share, or I want to tell you. 17th night, March 1959. The circumstances such as difficult, no use remain there. So then I escaped. Within many my friends remain there, including my small dog. I depart. That depart is permanent depart. Permanent departure. So within 2 days, bombarded. So several thousand people killed, including many my dear friends. Of course, a lot of sad. But as I mentioned earlier, I use my intelligence and also believe about truth and self-confidence, so that sort of tragedy transformed into a source of inner strength. Now 52 years passed. I always keep determination, enthusiasm. And your own case, after Second World War, even you Japanese people experienced nuclear weapon, 2 bombs, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Immense destruction, but you, without losing your determination, your self-confidence, you see, through your hard work, you rebuilt from ashes of the destruction. So you have that spirit. So now you look forward. So don't think these too much sort of sad things. Now look forward and work hard. And I heard, you see, you have very good spirit of cooperation. That's very good. So further strengthening this your traditional value. I really determined to go outside.
私はちょっと外の方に出たいという気持ちが高まってまいります。
So I want to see your face. So when I reach here, as soon as I come out from car, I saw the faces of those victims. Oh. I really very much moved. Then according to believers, according to those theistic religion, all these major events actually is God's creation. So there must be some meaning. So look at from that way. That also one way to reduce too much anxiety, too much sort of worry. One thing. Then non-theistic religion sort of viewpoint, such as Buddhism and Jainism. Now here I am talking according to Buddhism. Everything, you see, due to its own sort of causes and cause and effect. Tsunami itself also, you see, due to causes and because of that conditions. Earthquake also, you see, due to causes and conditions. When causes and conditions fully ripe, when causes or conditions fully ripe, no force can stop that. It's nature law of causality. Now we human beings who have the experience of pleasure, painful, because of pains and pleasure. Now here our concept of karma. Karma means action. Some cases within our lifetime, the early part of our life, you see, we made some sort of wrongdoing. That is a negative result might, because of that, materialize within this lifetime. That also possible. Then another, of course, Buddhist. You see, we believe consciousness must be produced by previous consciousness. Mind cannot produce by brain itself. Consciousness cannot be produced by matters. So therefore, consciousness must come from continuation of previous consciousness. So that is the basis of Buddhist sort of concept of life after life. So some of your action, wrong action, might took place in your previous life. So this lifetime, the people who have same kind of wrong karma or wrong action who committed, then born at a place the same period. So the tragedy, you see, experience commonly, right, like that. So therefore, the Buddhist sort of literature say, now, from the Buddhist viewpoint, how to reduce or how to eliminate the result of previous negative karma. We must create more forceful positive karma so that the force of positive karma stronger than the previous negative karma. The impact of the negative karma will reduce and some cases can eliminate. Therefore, now you look forward and lead, in a way, it's some kind of new life with full of sort of determination. At the meantime, lead your life honest way, truthful way. These are the positive action. Any truthful action, compassionate action is the immense forceful of positive karma. So you should lead your in future that way, so that you can eliminate or you can reduce the impact of previous wrong karma. So now lastly, this is not time for just worry and too much sadness or demoralize, not that way, but with determination, with honest, with Japanese spirit of cooperation, you must build, you see, this town, rebuild this town, and you have this good opportunity to show outside world Japanese efficiency, Japanese ability. So after rebuild new happy town, and please don't forget, send invitation for me, then I will come. And then we had big sort of festival. Good, thank you.
したいというふうに思います。
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
ありがとう。